Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of y is equal to 24, and 2 to the power of x plus y is 35, to find the value of x minus y. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From equation 2, in here we have 2 to the power of x plus y, and we can write this as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of y, right, is equal to 35. And next step, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 to the power of x, so this divided by 2 to the power of x, and this divided by 2 to the power of x. And here, this will cancel this, and 2 to the power of y is equal to 35 over 2 to the power of x. And let this as equation 3. And in next step, from equation 1, we have 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of y, 4 to the power of y is equal to 24. And here we can write this 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 2 and to the power of x, and minus this 4 as 2 to the power of 2 and to the power of y is equal to 24. And from exponential rule, if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, we can write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So in here, we can write this as 2 to the power of x and to the power of 2, and minus 2 to the power of y and to the power of 2, right? And 2 to the power of y is 35 over 2 to the power of x. So we write in here 35 over 2 to the power of x and to the power of these 2 is equal to 24. And next step, it will be 2 to the power of, in here we can write this as 2x, right? 2 times x is equal negative 35 to the power of 2, it will be 1225, and over 2 to the power of x to the power of 2, it will be 2 to the power of 2x, right? And in here we take this 24 to this side, and it will be negative 24 is equal to 0. And next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by 2 to the power of 2x. So we multiply both sides of this equation by 2 to the power of 2x, and it will be this times this, it will be 2 to the power of 2x to the power of 2, right? And this negative 24 times this, it will be negative 24 times 2 to the power of 2x. And this times this will cancel by this, and it will be negative 1225 is equal to 0. And next step, we let 2 to the power of 2x as u, and we rewrite this equation, and it will be u square minus 24u and minus 1225 is equal to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And a from here is coefficient of u square is 1, and b is coefficient of u is negative 24, and c is constant is negative 1225. So u is equal to negative b, negative 24, it will be 24 plus or minus a square root of b square, negative 24 square, it will be 576, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 4, a is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, and times c, it will be negative 4900. And over 2a is And from here, this negative times this negative will be positive, so this plus this, it will be 24 plus or minus square root of this 0 plus 6, it will be 6, and this 0 plus this 7, it will be 7, and this 9 by 5, it will be 14, and 4, and in here we have 4, and plus this 1, it will be 5, and over 2, and it will be u is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 5,476, it will be 74, and over 2. So from here we have two values for u. U is 24 plus 74 over 2, and it will be 98 over 2, and this is equal to 49. And u is 24 minus 74 over 2, and it will be negative 50 over 2, and it will be negative 25. But from here, u is equal to 2 to the power of 2x, and 2 is positive, and 2 to the power of 2x, it will be positive, right? So this u should be a positive. And here, we reject this negative answer for u, so we reject this, and we continue by this u is equal to 49. So, we recall 2 to the power of 2x is equal to u, and u is 49. So, 2 to the power of 2x is 49, and in here, 2 to the power of 2x is 2 to the power of x to the power of 2, right? Is equal to 49. Also, this is 49, right? It's 9 in here. And in next step, we apply square root to both sides of this equation, and it will be 2 to the power of x is equal to plus or minus 7, right? And as you know, 2 to the power of x cannot be equal to negative. So, in here, we reject this negative 7, and 2 to the power of x is equal to 7, right? So, from equation 3, in here, 2 to the power of y is 35 over 2 to the power of x. So, we write in here, from equation 3, 2 to the power of y is 35 over 2 to the power of x. And 2 to the power of x is 7, so 35 over 7, it will be 5, right? So, we have the value of 2 to the power of x and 2 to the power of y. And we want to find the value of x minus y. So, in here, we want to find the value of x minus y. So, in here, 2 to the power of x is 7, and 2 to the power of y is 5. From this equation, we apply log of base 2 to both sides of this equation, and it will be log of 2 to the power of x to base 2 is equal to log of 7 to base 2. And from log rules, in here, if we have log of a to the power of b to base a, this is equal to b. So, in here, we have log of 2 to the power of x to base 2, and this is equal to x. So, from here, x is equal to log of 7 to base 2, right? Also, for this equation, we apply log of base 2 to both sides of this equation, and it will be log of 2 to the power of y to base 2 is equal to log of 5 to base 2. And from here, this is equal to y. Y is equal to log of 5 to base 2. And we want to find the value of x minus y. So, x minus y is equal to, x is log of 7 to base 2. So, we write log of 7 to base 2. and minus log of 5 to base 2. And from log rules, if we have log of a to base c minus log of b to base c, this is equal to log of a over b to base c. So, in here, this is equal to log of 7 over 5 to base 2. So, x minus y is log of 7 over 5 to base 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.